We are at the Crawford office plaza in Evanston. Got a modernized Reliance. This used to be an old Reliance, but it got modernized. Pretty sure that's the original cab. Yeah, it got modernized to 211. Nope, it's all modded out here. It used to have the little triangle buttons, the little C.J. Anderson triangle buttons. Look at this phone cabinet, that is fancy. You found Waldo. Look at what is this? That is funny. Little stuff you put in the elevator thing. A fart! Somebody put a fart in there. I'm definitely disappointed I didn't film this before I walked, but that's all.